everyone, we're moving on to lesson 17 today. Lesson 17 is all about plurals, which means words that mean more than one thing. So you're going to need your spellography book, and I'd like you to join me and turn to what page is it? 85, please. Page 85. All right. So your page 85 should look like this. And I'm going to go ahead and read our lesson 17 words. You will notice that all of them end in either S or ES. And we're going to talk about why some words end in S and why some words end in ES in this lesson. So our words are inches, beaches, ditches, fleas. And this type of flea is not to flea, it's the biting bug. Goals, catches, roaches, grains, peaches, patches, sheets, branches, squeaks, punches, scratches, leashes, sneakers, bleachers, sketches, speeches, squelches, encroaches, squeals, tweezers. Encroach means to come really close to or kind of invade, like your space, for example. And our spelling concept this week is the plural of a noun and sometimes the present tense of a verb is made by adding either S or ES. The ending that is added depends on the last sound of the base word or the root word. So when they say base or root word, my base in the word inches is inch, and that word determines that it's going to be ES, and we'll talk about why that's the case. But for squeaks, the base word is squeak, and we just add an S. Okay. I'd like you now to turn the page, and I want you to be on page 87. I have made page 86 into a worksheet that you're going to do on Seesaw after you do page 87 here. Okay, so page 87 says, choose the correct plural ending to these words by adding S or ES. Then place each word in one of the two groups based on the way the plural version of the word is spelled and pronounced. So the first thing that I would do with this page is I would go ahead and add in the plural spelling of this word. And the best way to do that is to say it out loud. So I'm going to get you guys started. We're going to do half of them together, and then you're going to finish it. You do not need to do this bottom part, exercise 2B, okay? All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this so that I can write bigger. Okay, so if I want to make inch plural, I say inches. Do I hear z at the end, or do I hear is? I hear is. So inch is going to go here, and it's going to be es. Inch is. Anytime you hear a second syllable after you add a plural, it means it's es. So my original word was inch. It became inch is when I added the plural, and now it's two syllables. Okay, so we've done inch. Let's go to beach. Beaches. It's not beaches, it's beaches. So it's going to be over here again, es. So I'm going to write in beaches, and you guys can go ahead and do the same. Okay, let's try ditches. Again, it was ditch, and now it's ditch is. It has two syllables, so I'm going to put it over here. All right, my original word is flea, and when I add an S on it, and plural on it, it's going to be fleas. So it didn't change. It's still one syllable. That means all you do is add an S. So I'm going to put fleas over here. Okay. Then we have goal, which turns to goals. Still one syllable. So it's going to be over here. Goals. Okay. Let's try catch. Catches. It's going to be over here on the ES. Roaches. Grains. Still one syllable. So that's going to be over here with just the S. Peaches, 2 syllables. And peaches rhymes with beaches, so you can assume it's going to be over there. Patches, 2 syllables. Sheets, just 1. So that's going to go there. And then we have branches, also 2. Okay. So your job is you're going to be finishing sorting these words. But before you do, I want to call your attention to what we've discovered. When a word ends in CH, SH, and other words like the TH sound sometimes, or the an S sound or a Z sound, you always add ES. When it ends in a vowel or a consonant that's just like an N, you can get away with just adding an S. The biggest thing to remember is if you started with a 1-syllable word or a 2-syllable word, and when you make it plural and it becomes more syllables, that means you've added an ES because you hear both of those, okay? So I'm going to tell you that just the S has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in it total. And this one with the ES has 15. So your job today is to finish page 87. And then you're going to do an activity in Seesaw. I will post answers to page 87 tomorrow for you to look at. Good luck.